I'm trying not to laugh.
Hey, I think I'm gonna buy some Crocs.
Cooking with your Asian friend. Hello, excellent. Back. Before cooking your meat, it's important that you... No, not school.
Can you just give me a second? Just lay out of the Bloody Mary. I'm gonna try to find the dress.
Have you heard the new Sam Smith album?
Yeah.
Cat's good, huh?
Nah.
Geez, it's not that bad.
Can't fit through the hole. Okay, I got some of these are funny.
I ever told you how beautiful you are?
Get the dog. Get the dog, bud.
With that big fat butt. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Me.
What doesn't kill you makes you stronger.
Everybody was kung fu fighting. What are you doing in the Coca-Cola box? Oh my God, that's cute.
Strike. Oh man, I shouldn't have did that.
Dear God, what happened to your legs? Where are your legs? You're just a loaf.
Good kitten.
Turtle cat.
Turtle cat.
I'm so sleepy. I'm just gonna take a little cat nap. Get that out of here. Take a little cat nap and I'm gonna get that shit out of here. Did you just touch me? Oh yes, I'm very sorry. Don't ever touch me.
I wanna lick you from your head to your toes, and I wanna move from the bed down to the down. Everybody go.
Hello. Oh. What are you doing there? Okay. All right. Okay.
Panda, say I love you. Oh, kitty, I love you so much, beautiful cat. You're so perfect.
Spider-Man, Spider-Man, does whatever a spider can. Spins the web.
Let's see. If I were a cat, where could I lay down if I wanted to be exactly where my human didn't want me to be?
I just pet you, please? Why not? Come on. Stop. Hey, Bailey, let's show him our new high five. Hey, be nice.
Y'all thought y'all's cat was rude. Hold up, meet Nicki Minaj. Nicki.
We're all out of chicken. Go get the cat.
Oh, that's so mean.
That was some good cat.
But first, let me take a selfie.
3, 2, 1, dance. Gorgeous.
Don't
Anyways, guys, if you
touch
like my
it.
video, subscribe.